I ask for every believer under your care, Father, for you are the Lion of the tribe of Judah. The sound of my voice to all those in need of tranquility, may they recognize you as the Prince of. A person seeking solace and peace may be aware. I wish for you to be a devoted father, and for everyone aspiring to be restored to wholeness by the one who will heal their souls and hearts. And Father, would you show kindness to the one in need of consolation and requires fortitude, so that they can trust that what you say is true, as Jeremiah 29 says. Verse 11, because I am aware of my thoughts regarding you, thoughts that will bring you the desired outcome, peace, rather than evil. I appreciate your words, since I am aware of the goodness that the all-powerful Creator thoughts of serenity and of myself. The great I am, and not be malicious against me, so I may rest assured. Declare that you are my solid tower and my haven. You are my Lord and Savior, and I put my faith in you to never leave my side.